Good day everyone. Today I will make a video recording about the vision, mission, and core values of University of Eastern Pangasinan and the things I have learned in NET 101. So first, vision. A leading local university known to develop excellence and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. Is the things I've learned in NET 101. So first, my teacher's name in NET 101 is Sir Philip Michael Awonan. And the lesson I've learned in NET 101, our first is about LAN cabling, where we do the straight through cable and crossover. Second one is about determining the IP address configuration of smartphones and computer. And I also learned about what is IP address, the IPv6 and the IPv4, and the difference of two. And also I learned about networks and host, the subnet mask, the classful addressing, the public and private IPv4 addressing, and assignment of IPv4 addressing, the unicast transmission, broadcast transmission, and also the static address assignment, the multicast transmission, the dynamic address assignment, and also the gateways to other network. And lastly, I learned about how to use the Cisco Packet Tracker and many more. That's all. Thank you.